He moves his head bit by bit. Now, the eyes are locked in sync to judge the distance. Then, the tongue takes over. About 20 milliseconds. That's all it takes. But with high-speed cameras, we can observe the action as it catapults over 1,600 feet per second. How it works is another case of animal ingenuity. The tongue is sheathed on the tip of a bone that helps support it. A tightly coiled spring of collagen and accelerator muscles create a biological catapult that propels the tongue tip as a bow shoots an arrow. When extended, the retractable tongue is longer than the chameleon's entire body. Over millions of years, nature has been perfecting this design. Now we're getting a view of just how amazing it is. The sticky tip gloms on like a baseball glove. Skin flaps ensure the prey stays put as it jets back to the panther's hungry mouth. The forest canopy is almost a self-contained world. Most of its residents can find the food, shelter, and mates they need without ever having to leave. But for others, the trees are a vantage point, home base for mounting an aerial assault into an entirely different realm. A flash of feathers, plunging 80 miles an hour. Then the dive. The Osprey. Nature combined an aerialist and an aquanaut with a body that moves seamlessly between two earthly domains, air and water. This powerful predatory bird was born to fish.